Well, it's not quite the sight many beach visitors expect to see here off the coast of South Bethany right now, but it is exactly what's needed to ensure that everybody does have a beach to enjoy. Beach replenishment is underway and right on schedule now in South Bethany Beach, where dozens of beachgoers got a front row seat to see the dredging process in action Thursday afternoon.
I just kind of turned my chair. It's kind of cool to watch some of it going on. The sounds sometimes get annoying because you want to hear the ocean not beeping, but it's still worth it.
Last month, an equipment shortage caused a chain reaction of delays. Start dates were pushed back for the 3 quiet resort towns, and fears quickly set in about how the repairs would impact incoming visitors.
Called the realty company, and they're like, "Oh no, it shouldn't affect you at all." So I was really disappointed when we pulled up and all the equipment was blocking us. We couldn't get to the beach. It kept us up all night because of the bright lights and the noise. So it was a little bit disappointing to have to walk a couple blocks after you paid for beachfront.
Beach replenishment work runs for 14 days on a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week schedule. Work began in South Bethany about a week ago, meaning visitors won't have to wait too much longer to share the beach here. Now, the Army Corps of Engineers says that the beach replenishment project should be complete in Fenwick Island by early August. In South Bethany Beach, Nicole Lee Denado for WRDE Del Mar Vazone, NBC Station.